Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. You are at Makeup and More with Melissa. Today's video is going to be a rather simple, quick video. I am actually on my way out for the evening with my family, and however, I did want to finally do a small video about my giveaway. Since I am seeing so many views, I assume that is probably why. I figure, why not address the elephant in the room? So let's talk about giveaways. If you would like to hear more about my giveaways, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and please like this video, and let's get on with it. So the plan for my giveaways is that every time we reach 100 subscribers on my channel, there will be a giveaway. Each giveaway will be different. It could be it will be something that I cover on my channel. And basically, I cover makeup, for makeup reviews. We've done nail polish. There will be future jewelry. We cover items that come from Ulta, items that come from Sephora, basically anything that has to do with makeup and more. So hopefully this interests you. Like I said, we need to reach 100 subscribers each time. So then there will be a giveaway. So for this giveaway, we need to reach 100 subscribers. Once we reach 100 subscribers, a subscriber will be picked for this giveaway. So I wanted to talk a little bit about what I've been collecting so far. So in this box are some items that I have been collecting, some of my favorite things. I have some ColourPop eyeshadow that I happen to love. It's a beautiful neutral palette, brand new, gorgeous. Also one of my favorites from Dose of Colors, a very neutral palette. One of the new cream blush lights from Melt in Sundown, and one of the bronzers from Kylie Jenner. And we have some items from Flower. I wanted to make sure I did a variety of things. Other eyeshadow for a little variety, Milani, Elf, and Maybelline. I have two of the new blushes from Ilia that just came out recently. Lip crayons from ColourPop. One of the Rare Beauty blushes in Joy. And I see we are running some short on lip products. So I think I'm gonna have to add some lip products to this one. And also on top of this will be a gift certificate for either Ulta or Sephora of your choice. So in order to qualify for this giveaway, make sure that you enter only one time. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and there's a thumbs up to this video. Also, you're required to watch one of my past videos and make sure you like that video. Leave a comment below with your IG handle or some way for me to get a hold of you by email, some sort of contact. And a winner will be chosen within 24 hours of the time that we go into that 100 subscriber. Unfortunately, one of the other rules that I'm going to have is the giveaways for now, until a further date is announced, are going to have to be limited to the United States. Taking a look into some of the shipping costs of trying to ship items to different parts of the world, they are just so expensive. So right now, unfortunately, the giveaways will have to be limited to the United States. Hopefully with these giveaways, we will have more. And hopefully as people find my channels and we get a little rhythm going, things will happen to change. If not, then it is what they are. I still love my channel and I still enjoy doing what I'm doing. Makeup for me is soothing and relaxing, and it should be for you too. And there's no wrongs or rights, and there's, to me, no rules. As long as you're enjoying it, that's what's important. We've had so much taken away this past year in the sense of this pandemic just changing our lives in so many different ways, that things that I still enjoy doing is being able to just sit down and relax and just have fun being creative. And so I encourage that in any shape or form. You want to use colors, use colors. Do what you want to do. There's no wrong or right. Do what makes you feel happy. But back to the giveaways, it just is going to have to be limited to the United States. Also, when you're putting your handle down at the bottom, please add what you would like the gift certificate to be for. If you would like it to be for Ulta, or if you would like it to be for Sephora, so that I do know. And the gift certificate right now will be $100. So the box of goodies that continues to grow, and a $100 gift certificate to your choice of Ulta or Sephora. Also, just so for your own information, the rules will be written down in the comment section. So if you have any questions, you can find them there. So that's it for this actual giveaway. I will be continuing to add products to this box until we get to that 100 subscriber. So it'll be interesting and fun to see how quickly that happens. And like I said, there's going to be future giveaways every time we hit 100 new subscribers. So when we hit the 200 subscriber mark, we're going to have a giveaway. 300 subscriber mark, we're going to have a giveaway. 400 subscriber mark, we're going to have a giveaway. We're going to make this fun. I want my channel to be fun, and I want to communicate with you guys. So please make sure you like the videos. Please leave some comments. Tell me what you want to see on the channel within reason. What makeup looks you're looking for. I happen to love this makeup look right now. So if you'd like to see a tutorial on this makeup look, I'll do that. But let me know where you're from. You know, that would be delightful. And each giveaway is going to be different. There's going to be a little game involved in each thing. So it's going to be something fun, and I hope it'll be fun for you guys. I'm looking forward to doing it. So if this sounds fun for you, then please stay subscribed to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure you are also press on the bell. That way you know each time that I upload a video. I don't have a set schedule yet, but I do try to do it like twice a week. But with kids, everybody knows it's difficult. So until then, till my next video, please stay safe, healthy, and happy, and I will be watching those numbers to see when we hit our 100 subscriber. So stay safe, happy, and have a wonderful Memorial weekend. Bye-bye.